My Harley-Davidson family, I'm Jesse James Dupree, and we are Rolling Daytona, giving you a chance to win a brand new 2024 Road Glide Limited Harley-Davidson motorcycle, a beautiful machine, and this dealership right here has your chance to win. I want to share with you on Saturday, February the 3rd, we're doing a special one-day giveaway that gets you a trip to Daytona Beach, a 3-night stay. It gets you a Get Ready to Rally in-store $500 credit, and check this out. I'm actually giving away one of my custom Jesse James Dupree Jackyl chainsaws. So again, that's Saturday, February the 3rd. Be sure to be in the dealership, and while you're in there, you can be in there right now. Grab your Rolling Daytona voucher, register to win, and enter the voucher number, and if you win that motorcycle, you'll get a $1,000 bonus check. This dealership right here has got everything that we are celebrating, which is Harley-Davidson Rolling Daytona, February the 3rd. Put it on your calendar.